But let's also recap for you all that played out in Parliament yesterday, the showdown and the fireworks over the Lakhimpur Kheri case. There's a lot of pressure on the government. There's a lot of pressure on Union Minister Ajay Mishra Teni to also step down. As a result of which, when he was questioned about the investigation in this case, about the allegations of the opposition, he lost his cool and took it out on journalists who were questioning him.
Ajay Mishra Teni, the Minister of State for Home Affairs, is feeling the heat. A day after Special Investigation Team accused Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra of planning the killing of farmers, the minister vented his anger on the journalists. Ajay Mishra is under fire from all sides. The opposition is breathing fire in the parliament, demanding his resignation.
Thank you, sir.
And now his own party has called him to Delhi for a review. It all started with a court permitting the SIT to add several new charges, including the Arms Act violations and attempt to murder. Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi moved an adjournment motion in the Lok Sabha seeking Teni's ouster on Wednesday. A similar motion was moved in the Rajya Sabha as well. Several opposition leaders carried placards and banners as they staged protests forcing the adjournment of the House.
It has been said that it is a conspiracy. It is obviously a conspiracy. Everybody knows who's involved. Everybody who knows whose son is involved. Everybody knows who was there when those farmers were killed. The gentleman is a minister. We want the minister to resign. We want a discussion in the parliament. The Prime Minister refuses. And they're making all sorts of excuses because they don't want to accept the truth.
मैं समझता हूँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट के निर्देश के अनुसार जब जांच चल रही है तो इस प्रकार की बातें बेबुनियाद हैं. Well, first of all, we are extremely disappointed at the behavior of the opposition who are not allowing the houses to function in an orderly fashion.
The opposition, meanwhile, is unfazed in its attack. It has put the onus on Prime Minister Narendra Modi to sack the minister.
अगर मोदी जी की अंतर में जरा सा गंगा माता की प्रति श्रद्धा रहे तो बिना किसी देर उनकी गृह राज्य मंत्री को वो सलाह दे कि वो खुद अपने को रिजर्वेशन दे और नहीं तो प्रधानमंत्री जी खुद इसमें फैसला लेते हुए उनको बर्खास्त करें.
Summoned to Delhi, the spotlight is on Ajay Mishra Teni. He will have to answer more questions and face more cameras in the national capital. With the noose tightening on the minister's son and pressure mounting on the government, the opposition is unlikely to relent. And Thursday is set to be all stormy in the parliament as well. With video journalist Waqar Ahmed and Supriya Bharadwaj, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.